Who said weekday dinner has to be boring? This delicious, creamy chicken veggie pasta is the right choice after a long day at work or for a party. First step is I have already cut up some meat, chicken breast, and marinated it with big heaping spoon of yogurt and some salt. I always like to marinate my chicken with yogurt and salt because it takes care of the smells. It really keeps the chicken moist and very, very yummy. So that's the first step. So let me just give it a real quick stir. While that goes its way, I have already turned on the stove for my salt water for the pasta. Make this water really, really salty. I'm going to drain all the water, so it's important that the pasta water is as salty as seawater. I use some leftover vegetables here, a carrot, half a broccoli, and half an onion, a cup of peas, frozen peas. You can have any vegetable that you want that's there in the pantry. Doesn't have to follow a recipe, just I took whatever I had. The cucumbers, I'm going to put them in raw later, but the rest of the veggies, I'm going to give it a quick saute. When the water is boiling, let me drop these broccoli and carrots real quick, just for a quick blanch. I have blanched broccoli and some carrots, which I'll add to the pasta salad later on. In the same water, I'm going to add the pasta as well. You can use any type of pasta that is available at home. I had this very interesting looking pasta here, so I said, okay, let me take it. I'm going to use half of it. Oh, like put everything. Cook the pasta as per the packet instructions, which was about 8 minutes. I read before throwing it. So that's the second step. I'll give it a quick stir here. Alright, my chicken is also 90% cooked. I'll just take it out because it will cook later on along with everything else a little bit more so. Take this out here. In the same pan, olive oil, generous amount of it. While the olive oil is heating, let me just finely chop garlic. the onions that I had sliced. Always the best practice to have your apron, especially when you are cooking with olive oil and things that splatter. My onions are nicely caramelizing, so I'm going to throw in the peas. We'll add some oregano, small teaspoon, some white pepper or any pepper will do. Now bring back the chicken. Okay. My pasta seems to be ready. Let me drain it now. And also bring in my veggie here in pot. Look at how colorful this pasta sauce is. Spaghetti is ready. Pour all this beautiful sauce inside of this. For the pasta sauce, I have equal portion of mayonnaise, yogurt and mustard. In that I'm going to throw in finely chopped capers and some olives just to give it that flavor. Rough chop. A few tomatoes. Also finely chop these cucumbers. Time for the sauce. Need to mix. Wow, look at that, look at that. It's beautiful. Let me throw this in. Let's give it a mix. I'll finally chop some parsley for garnish, and that's the last step. Nothing to beat the smell of a fresh parsley. Give it one more stir. Let me give it a taste. Really good. This kind of pasta can easily be taken to parties. It's just so easy and it's so yummy and people love it. Alright, so this is going to be plenty of leftovers for Yanis. He's going to appreciate that. Seriously, such a delicious, nutritious meal, and I cooked it in 10 minutes, as long as it took me to cook the pasta. It is all done.